Come visit the Google Japan office with me. We went to the Shibuya office in the snow where I met my ex-teammate Sumi-san. It was so nice to see her after 4 years. After reuniting, she brought us up to the office to settle us in. Just look at how many floors the Google office has. After 5 years, I finally met our guest of honor, Goku-chan! Yes, dogs are allowed in the office. Here we are chilling near Tech Stock, where Googlers can get help with their laptops or grab IT equipment. Your girl here was clearly so excited for the office lunch. The cafe was packed and as usual, there was an amazing selection of food to choose from. Having visited several Google offices around the world, I personally feel that the best food can be found in the Google Japan office. So of course, the only thing to do was eat, 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 eat. Now, we can't forget dessert, can we? One of the best parts of visiting the office was also the coffee. They even have a sandwich bar here, but I was just too stuffed from lunch to eat anymore. We spent some time catching up with good friends, then went off for an office tour. How cool is this interactive wall? We also said hi to our friendly neighborhood android and checked out the micro kitchen near the Google gym, which we weren't allowed to go into. My personal favorite space were these mural painted walls which really represented Google Japan. The games area was also filled with some arcade and console games.
Wow! DJing machine. Foosball machine!
And the last cool things were these Tokyo 2020 Olympic torches, which were actually carried by a Googler during the Olympics. We ended the day having both our hearts and bellies full. So would you